Hey guys, it's another day, it's another vlog with the G-Fam. So guys, after our floating market experience, this time we are going to the famous railway market in Thailand at Maeklong Railway Market. We are very thrilled and excited because, as we all know, the railway market in Thailand is famous for tourist attractions. Since we had coconut ice cream, mango sticky rice, milk tea and coffee at the floating market, we decided not to eat at the restaurant our tour guide suggested because aside from there were no vacant seats and we were also full at the moment. After 10 minutes, the train arrived and we were amazed at how vendors took off their trapal covers. After the train passed, we decided to roam around and check out some souvenirs. We compared the prices between the floating market and the railway market and found out that the railway market is much cheaper. My mom and I each bought a rattan bag and we also bought some keychains and ref magnets. A tip from my brother and me, compare prices and check all the stores to find out who's selling at cheaper prices before making a purchase. In Thailand's humidity, another tip from us to bring your own tumbler to stay hydrated and a handheld mini electric fan. After taking pictures and videos at the railway, we went back to our meeting place where our tour guide instructed us to wait for the train to depart.
busog na.
After our railway market experience, we returned to the city and traveling for more or less 2 hours. Our tour guide dropped us at IconSiam where we decided to have dinner at the mall. My father and mother wanted to eat fish and soup, so we agreed to have our dinner separately because Aviana doesn't want fish and soup. While looking for food that Aviana likes, we passed by a food stall selling Korean chicken, so we decided to buy and eat there. Hey guys, order ni Abiana chicken fried rice, Korean chicken teriyaki. Korean chicken teriyaki ug nag-order na lang pud ko rice.
Naglahi big order guys. Sila papa gusto magsabaw. Kami kay sabi na di man gusto magsabaw so nag-chicken ra kami. Hi! Love your baby.
After dinner, I bought some desserts we passed by earlier and decided to try them because they looked delicious and had many customers buying them. It tastes like jelly, more like gelatin salad, and I found it delicious. After that, we did some window shopping at the mall. Oh. Sige. Unsa man ka be massage? When we arrived at our hotel, we decided to try the famous foot massage in Thailand. In our hotel, there is a massage shop that many customers, so we decided to go there, and guys, it's very worth the penny. My father had a neck and back massage, and my mother and I had a foot massage. We felt relaxed after the massage, and we were happy that we decided to try it before leaving Thailand.
Oh.
Massage. Thank you.
Kapu.
Very nice. Adol ra sa among hotel, guys. Magbakbas ra ka na hotel na dadyo namo.
So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you like it. If you have any questions and clarifications regarding of our vacation in Thailand, please do not hesitate to ask. I would love to help and share. Like and subscribe to my channel. See you on the next one. Bye!